Dear students, today marks the beginning of a remarkable journey. You stand at the threshold of a university that is rooted in the timeless values of our rich Indian heritage, while lovingly embracing the possibilities of modern technology and new frontiers of study. This is your moment to learn, to question, and to contribute. Today you join a community that is inspired by the timeless ideals of Swami Vivekananda and Sister Nivedita, an ethos of courage, service, learning, and inclusive humanity. As you begin this journey, may you nurture a spirit of inquiry, a heart that serves, and a mind that seeks truth with humility. Swamiji was greatly inspired by the Upanishads, and in particular the Kathopanishad. And that's why he made this great chant, Uttishtata Jagrata Prapya Varan Nivodhata. Each one of you carry the spark of potential. And it is our duty and privilege here at Sister Nivedita University to help you transform that spark into purpose-driven action. Our patron saint, Sister Nivedita, reminded us that education is not merely the accumulation of facts. It's the awakening of character, leadership, and a commitment to the welfare of all. Today is the on-ramp to your transformative voyage. You will encounter challenges that will test your resolve, moments that will widen your horizons, and opportunities to contribute to your community and beyond. Embrace them with integrity, curiosity, and kindness, grounded in our timeless values aimed at a dynamic future. Our age-old value system teaches us integrity, humility, compassion, and service. Let these guide your choices, big and small, in every class, discussion, and project. At the same time, at the university, we have always welcomed innovation, digital literacy, interdisciplinary collaboration, and a fearless curiosity that drives progress. Let curiosity be your compass and compassion your constant. In the second chapter of the 50th verse of the sacred Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna advises Arjuna, Yoga ha karmasu kaushalam. Skill in action is yoga. Excellence in action is the spirit of yoga. Imbibe this to the fullest. We are also reminded by Narayan Pandit in Hitopadesha, Vidya Dadati Vinayam. Knowledge bestows humility. Keep scholastic rigor and lifelong growth at the topmost of your priorities. Regular study, thoughtful reflection, and a disciplined effort lays the foundation for mastery. Your learning is continuous. Every course, every experiment, every conversation is an opportunity to grow, whether you're a first-year student or nearing graduation or post-graduation. Do not fear to ask questions. Ask boldly, listen actively, and engage with the ideas of others with respect and rigor. Constructive argument refines truth. Engage in a vibrant campus. Together we thrive. Your campus from today should be a living laboratory. The labs, the libraries, the cultural spaces, the classrooms, the tech hubs, where ideas collide and collaborations flourish. The most meaningful innovations often sit at the intersection of various fields. So interdisciplinary study, please encourage that. Technology is a powerful tool for learning, service, and impact. Use it to overcome barriers, connect with peers beyond borders, and amplify your efforts for the greater good. Balance your screen time with reflection, hands-on practice, and human connection. Let digital fluency go hand in hand with ethical responsibility. May your journey at SNU, a sacred place of learning and transformation, be a bright chapter of discovery, character, and a meaningful impact. So I'll close with the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayaha, Sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kaschit dukh bhag bhavyat. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. May all be happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Peace, peace, and peace be upon all of you. Jai Hind.